Hi, I'm Christy Sykes with HCC Culinary Arts program. Today we're making some salads to get ready for the 4th of July. I've started rendering down some bacon. We're going to start with a warm vinaigrette that is going to go over our spinach salad. After we render down the bacon, we're going to add some brown sugar and some shallots to the pan. We just kind of want a medium, moderate heat so that we're not burning anything. We don't want that sugar to caramelize too quick. Once we start to see that bacon's crisping up, we're going to add in fresh lime juice, some red wine vinegar, and some olive oil, and that will cook and caramelize. And what we're going to end up with is this nice, beautiful vinaigrette that we can toss with our spinach. This is going to feed a crowd for 4th of July and give some healthier options. So once we toss that spinach together, you can dress your plate. And what makes this salad beautiful is that it can be totally vegetarian, or you can add some grilled meat. So we've got some toasted pecans. You can even use candied pecans. Some beautiful strawberries, which are beautiful this time of year. Wonderful summer salad. Some julienne of red onions, And what we really love is goat cheese. The crumbles are beautiful. Really brings all the flavors together. Fatty, fresh, and I promise you, everybody at your party will love it.